Uganda is a beautiful country in Africa, known for its stunning landscapes and rich cultural heritage. It is often referred to as the Pearl of Africa, a title that reflects its breathtaking natural beauty and diverse ecosystems. One of the most remarkable features of Uganda is its abundance of large lakes, which are teeming with a variety of delicious fish species. The local markets are always bustling with vendors selling fresh fish, and you can see people preparing fish in many traditional ways. Ugandan chefs are known for their creativity and skill in cooking fish, using a blend of spices and techniques that have been passed down through generations. The cuisine here is a true celebration of fresh local ingredients, with fish being a staple in many households. Fish holds a special place in the hearts and stomachs of Ugandans, often bringing families together for hearty meals. Let's dive into the world of Ugandan seafood and explore some of its most iconic dishes, from the famous tilapia to the lesser-known but equally delicious Nile perch. Join us as we uncover the secrets behind these mouth-watering recipes and the cultural significance they hold in Uganda. Fish luwambo is a very special dish in Uganda. It is cooked with fresh fish from the lakes. First, you wrap the fish in banana leaves, then you steam it slowly. This makes the fish very soft and juicy. The banana leaves give the fish a unique flavor. People often enjoy fish luwambo with matoke. Matoke is a type of steamed banana. Grilled Nile tilapia is a popular dish in Uganda. You can find it in many restaurants and homes. People grill the fish over hot coals. This gives it a smoky taste. Before grilling, they rub the fish with spices. Salt, pepper, and garlic are common spices. Grilled Nile tilapia is delicious with a squeeze of lemon. Section 4. Fried Nile perch, a crispy delight. Fried Nile perch is another favorite way to eat fish in Uganda. This dish is a staple in many Ugandan households and is also a popular choice at street food markets and local restaurants. The unique preparation and the delightful taste make it a must-try for anyone visiting the country. People coat the fish in a mixture of flour and spices. This mixture often includes ingredients like salt, pepper, paprika, and sometimes even a hint of garlic powder. The coating not only adds flavor, but also helps in achieving that perfect crispy texture that everyone loves. Then, they fry it in hot oil until it's crispy and golden brown. The sizzling sound of the fish frying is music to the ears of many food enthusiasts. The hot oil ensures that the fish is cooked evenly, giving it a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crunch with every bite. Fried Nile perch is often served with a side of ketchup or a spicy sauce. These sauces complement the fish perfectly, adding an extra layer of flavor. Some people prefer a tangy ketchup, while others go for a spicy chili sauce to give it an extra kick. It's a simple dish, but full of flavor. The crispy exterior combined with the tender, juicy fish inside makes it a delightful experience. Whether you're enjoying it as a snack or a main course, fried Nile perch is sure to leave a lasting impression on your taste buds. Section 5. Celebrating Ugandan flavors. Ugandan food is all about fresh ingredients and delicious flavors. Fish. Luwambo, grilled Nile tilapia, and fried Nile perch are just a few examples of the amazing seafood dishes you can find in Uganda. Each dish tells a story of the land and the waters that provide these bountiful ingredients. These dishes are more than just food. They are a part of Ugandan culture and history. The preparation methods have been passed down through generations, preserving the essence of Ugandan culinary traditions. The use of local spices and herbs enhances the natural flavors of the fish, making each bite a delightful experience. The traditional cooking methods, such as steaming in banana leaves or grilling over an open flame, add a unique touch to these dishes. So next time you're in Uganda, be sure to try some of the local seafood. You won't be disappointed. Whether you're dining at a local restaurant or enjoying a meal by the lakeside, the flavors of Uganda will leave a lasting impression. The warmth and hospitality of the Ugandan people, combined with their delicious cuisine, make for an unforgettable culinary journey.